Drinking coffee on an empty stomach could damage your stomach lining and cause indigestion and heartburn. It can even increase anxiety and hinder your ability to focus. Instead, try drinking coffee in the mid-morning or early afternoon for the best. Here's how a typical morning for me used to go. Wake up, hit snooze several times, drag myself to the kitchen to make coffee, then wait for the sweet caffeine to hit my veins. You might think drinking coffee in the morning is a great idea. You may even think it's a great way to get yourself going in the morning. But you'd be surprised to learn that drinking coffee first thing in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, is a terrible idea. Hi, I'm Lida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss what happens when you drink a coffee on an empty stomach. Number 1. Low levels of serotonin. Very few people know about this, but coffee will make you feel less hungry. People who drink coffee right away in the morning sometimes end up skipping breakfast. Skipping your first meal of the day can ruin your body's power to make serotonin, a neurotransmitter in charge of making you feel happy and calm. Also, serotonin is very important for a good night's sleep. Your body changes serotonin into melatonin at night. Low levels of melatonin usually lead to insomnia problems. If you like drinking coffee, make sure to always have it after breakfast. Number 2. Anxiety. When you go through your morning on an empty stomach, you lower your brain's power to properly break down serotonin. Serotonin is the happy, calm hormone. When your brain is unable to break down this hormone properly, it causes anxiety and depression. Throwing a cup of coffee on top of that empty stomach causes anxiety by boosting your body's cortisol and adrenaline levels that will leave you feeling shaky, nervous, and weak. Number 3. Dehydration. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach raises the amount of fluid that your body passes and can cause dehydration. If you're like most people, you'll like the answer that dehydration by reaching for yet another cup of coffee, making things even worse for yourself. Number 4. Stomach acid. Your stomach has hydrochloric acid, which at the right level helps your body digest food properly. When your stomach is empty, this acid doesn't have much to work with, so it can slosh around and hurt your stomach. Drinking a cup of coffee on that empty stomach adds to the problem by putting more acid in your body. Always having too much stomach acid will harm your stomach and digestive tract, leading to problems like heartburn, irritable bowel syndrome, and stomach ulcers. Number 5. Bad digestion. Having caffeine on an empty stomach ruins digestion, leading to a bloated feeling and other signs of irritable bowel syndrome like pain and irregularity. How? Caffeine acts like your adrenaline glands, which create stress hormones called cortisol and adrenaline. When these hormones flood your body, they raise your heart rate and blood pressure, and your liver starts letting out blood sugar to give energy to your muscles so that you can run away. Your digestive system also shuts down to send energy to where it is needed most. That's what happens when you drink a coffee on an empty stomach. If you enjoy watching this video, please share it to your friends.